today's video, we are going to be editing a Delta Airlines A330-200, November 853, November Whiskey. And let's go ahead and get Lightroom opened up so we can go ahead and get started with the edit. And here's the aircraft we're going to be editing today. And like we always do, the first thing we're going to look at is to find and get rid of any dust spots in the photo. And oof, we got a bunch of them on here. So we'll go ahead and get these cleaned up, and probably later on we'll have to go ahead and clean the sensor on the camera.
2 hours later.
First thing that we need to do before cleaning off the camera sensor is need to go ahead and remove the lens. So we'll go ahead and pull that off and set that off to the side. And then we will open up the camera menu and hit the manually clean button, click OK, and the mirror is open. Of course, it goes without saying that you should never use soap and water to clean your CMOS sensor or any other sensor on a DSLR camera. Do not use canned air either. Either one of these methods can damage the camera beyond repair or may cost you a pretty penny in repairs down the road. The two best methods for cleaning off your camera sensor are either invest a little bit of money and get a sensor cleaning kit. Comes with the brush that you use to actually clean the sensor and the special cleaning solution that you apply to the brush. First thing that you would want to try is the little mini manual air blower. Just lightly blow onto the sensor with it. If that doesn't get all of the dust off of your sensor, then you want to resort to the manual cleaning. Most DSLR cameras today have a manual cleaning feature on them, and what you do to access that is basically turn on your camera, and you're going to go to the menu, and you'll scroll until you see this part of the menu where it says to clean manually. Go ahead and click the set button. Mirror will go up to clean the sensor. Simply click OK. The mirror will close automatically after you've shut the camera off after you're done cleaning. And as you can see, the mirror on our sensor is up. Okay, when manually cleaning the sensor, first thing that you want to do is make sure that your mirror is up and in the locked position is seen here. You're going to go ahead and open up the little packet with the cleaning brush or cleansing swab. Make sure when pulling this out of the package that you do not touch the small tip. And you're going to open your cleaning solution and you're going to take a couple of drops and place it on the tip of the brush. Just a couple little drops, just enough to get the thing wet. And now, without using any pressure at all, go into the camera and you're going to lightly sweep and drag the brush across the sensor and go back in the opposite direction, just like that. One swipe to the left, one swipe to the right. Just gentle. You don't want to put a lot of pressure on that sensor because it is very sensitive. It is very easy to damage. Once you've done that a couple times, just simply shut your camera off, throw your lens back on, and you are good to go. And that's all there is to it. I really hope you enjoyed this quick tutorial video on cleaning a crop or full sensor on a DSLR camera. Again, this applies to Nikon, Sony, Canon, any DSLR camera that has a crop or full-sized image sensor in it. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, comment. We'll see you in the next video. Take care. Have a great night. Bye-bye.